Del here with a popular treat. It's been around a while, and this is just a smaller portion of it, so there's no nutritional facts on the back. And so let's take a look and remind us what it tastes like. And it's in bars too. It's nice that some people like to crack the bars open and have part of it and save the rest for later or something. So this is Kit Kat. I'll try to keep that little label there out so everybody can see it. And go like that. And there, that the back of it should work pretty good there like that. So let's take a bite. What it looks like, crunchy on the inside. Got the chocolate naturally, and that's pretty darn good. Kit Kat. Just a reminder of, sometimes your tastes run to other things and not candy or not candy bars or anything like that. And just a reminder that sometimes you might have thought something was pretty good when you were a kid, and then later on, you might like it again. It is pretty good. It's crunchy in the middle. It sounds nice. It tastes nice. What more can you ask for? Let's get it done for now.